Democrats openly court illegal gangs as their best lovers, while treating victims of illegal immigration as enemies. Yesterday, Maryland Democratic Senator Chris Van Hollen used taxpayer money to fly to El Salvador, where he personally extracted the now notorious MS-13 gang member Garcia from prison. During their meeting, Holland behaved as though he were in the presence of royalty, bowing obsequiously, grinning obsequiously, shaking hands, and even sitting at a table while tenderly stroking Garcia's hand. It was as if this man were not a gangster, a domestic abuser, or an illegal immigrant, but rather the senator's closest kin, or even the most revered figure on earth. Today's Democrats have all become deranged, morally inverted demons. They openly fawn over criminal illegal immigrants, lobbying relentlessly for them, even defying the law and the will of the people. The Maryland senator went so far as to break the law to bring this gang member home. During bipartisan congressional hearings, they refused to stand for victims of illegal immigrant crime. They refused to stand when a young boy with brain cancer was honored as a special agent. Yet, the moment an illegal immigrant is detained or a rapist faces deportation, they leap to their feet, screaming to protect these criminals at all costs. The Democratic Party has become the party of rapists, while the victims of rape are treated as their greatest enemies. Consider this. Democrats recite the names of criminal illegal immigrants like a mantra, desperate to rescue them. But they have never once uttered the names of Rachel Maureen, Locken Riley, or any of the countless girls raped, tortured, mutilated, or slaughtered by illegal immigrants. Not once. Democrats never mention the harm inflicted by illegal immigration or the rampant electoral fraud enabled by their opposition to voter ID laws. Their sole obsession is ensuring that every illegal immigrant receives the most meticulous legal protections, demanding that all 20 million illegal aliens undergo individual reviews, taxpayer-funded lawyers, and specialized court hearings. This process would take millennia to complete. These individuals flooded into the country illegally. Yet Democrats now insist on lavishing millions of taxpayer dollars per person to grant them due process. This is the party's depravity. Today's Democrats are 10 times more malicious than the Communist Party. They ignore waste, embezzlement, and corruption while viciously attacking those who expose it. They care nothing for victims but obsess over criminals' rights. Take Maryland's Rachel, a voter, a constituent, and Holland's own employer, brutally murdered by an illegal immigrant. Yet this deranged senator would rather kneel before gangsters in El Salvador than call Rachel's grieving mother to offer condolences. Why? The answer is simple. Since the Obama era, Democrats have weaponized open borders to import millions of illegal immigrants, whom they aim to enfranchise. By opposing voter ID laws, they seek to transform these criminals into Democratic voters. 20 million illegal votes would permanently turn America blue, granting Democrats one-party rule and absolute power. This is why they despise Trump. He alone sees their scheme and can stop them. Every deportation under Trump strips Democrats of a vote, driving them to madness. This is the root of their grotesque pilgrimage to El Salvador to grovel before gangsters.